Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add products to your watch list on the eBay application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the home button down below, and you can search for products. So tap on the search bar and type in the name of that product that you are looking for. After finding it, you should tap on this heart icon in the right side of the screen below the picture itself. If you go to the My eBay section down below and tap on the watch list section, which is the first one, you are going to see all of the items that you have added to your watch list. If you want to get rid of any of these items, slide to the right side of the screen until this delete button appears and tap on it. So as you can see, it has been removed from your list. So that's how you can save items so that you can find them easier later on if you want to purchase them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.